I chose to come to SJVC because I was working minimum wage and I wanted something better. They offered a fast track program that'll allow me to get through school faster and get a job quicker.
I've always done well on my grades for tests, but really struggled on my grades for homework. Here, everything is hands-on. They don't really have homeworks because we're just doing things here. And it just fit. I've done better at this school than I've done at any other school because it's something that I'm passionate about and it fits my learning style better.
They come in at 7 o'clock and usually there's a lecture and theory in the morning. And then we try to have every day where there's at least some kind of labs where they're doing hands-on.
I love my instructors. They're always there for me. If you have a question, they'll help you.
You learn about publications, regulations, corrosion, tools, physics, math, electricity. All those lives are in your hands, so fixing a certain component, it just kind of feels nice knowing that what you did is keeping everyone else safe.
Once they have a aircraft maintenance technician certificate from the FAA, they can do anything on aircraft. We have them work on engines, we have them work on structure, airframe, landing gear, basically everything to do with all the systems in the aircraft, hydraulics, pneumatics, some avionics, everything to do with aircraft maintenance.
I learn something new every day, and it's really nice.
My favorite thing about the program is how everything is focused on the specific field. There's not a lot of frivolous learning stuff that we're not going to use. We learn the information that is used in aviation.
All of the instructors are A&P mechanics, and so they give their own personal experience along with the knowledge they need from the FAA Airman Certification Standards. And with the equipment we have here, SkyWest gave us the CRJ-200. We have several airplanes, everything we need to get them actual experience working on aircraft.
It gives you actual practical job experience for if you work for a big airline, because there's these little aircraft and they also summarize basically what you'll be doing, but to have that actual version rather than just some downscaled model of what you're working with is really helpful.
Every company out there is having trouble finding enough mechanics, and SkyWest has came up with a plan. They partnered with us. They call it the Pathway Program, and they'll actually give some money for tuition if you sign up to go and work for SkyWest.
There's so many different reasons that a person would be not only successful here, but they would really thrive. If you're passionate about any kind of aircraft, it's for you. If you like doing things hands-on and you like working with materials and tools, then this is for you. If you like doing things on engines and you like working on cars already, then this would be a great program for you.
I like interacting with the students. I mean, it's great. You have such diversity and you have so many different opinions, and I learn every day from that. It's really a beautiful thing.
Even though I had had such a negative experience with the other schools I went to in the past, coming here and seeing the way things work really gave me hope. And it made me excited to try it. Once I got in and started, then I just started having fun and being more successful than I ever have.